Now, NHIF had a bill of 32 billion. In just 10 months, SHA has already accumulated 43 billion. A baby who can hardly crawl has already accumulated 43 billion in unpaid claims. And remember, any patient going to India or abroad for treatment does not get any support from SHA. Why? They have not paid any hospitals in India. We are saying enough is enough. And as our team, you know, we have close to 70 members of parliament that are part of this team. They are not able to be here today because we are on recess. And we've said enough is enough. We now demand for the immediate resignation of Honorable Aden Duale, the CS for Health, for number 1, conflict of interest, number 2, complacency, number 3, trying to hoodwink Kenyans with theatrics of summoning the media to harass facilities, to suspend some facilities. He's been talking tough out here, putting up face just to hoodwink Kenyans. And we demand the immediate resignation of the SHA chairman, who is associated with Ladnan facility, medical facility. We also demand for the resignation of the CEO, SHA, who is facilitating this theft. And we are telling particularly the head of state and his friend Duale, Kenyans have unearthed the scam you schemed to put in place for a long time. The Committee on Health is equally investigating this further, the committee in the National Assembly and in the Senate, so that as we resume from recess, we want to put together a commission of inquiry so that we get to know how much money has been scammed from Kenyans through these schemes.